Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to compose our floor plan now by putting together rooms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to group our rooms first. So I'm going to type in the group command, and I'm going to select this as a group, press enter. Repeat the group command, select the next room, press enter. Repeat the next group and select the next room, press enter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together these rooms. So let's say I plan to put the toilet or the bathroom. So I'm going to move, and I wanted to move this corner to be aligned to this one, and then I still want this wall to be aligned with this one. So I'm going to move that again, and my O snaps are turned on for endpoint and intersection and endpoint. Okay, next we are going to move this somewhere over here. So I'm going to rotate first 90 degrees, and then I'm going to move this room to this corner and then align this corner to that one. So there's some overlap here. So what we can do is we can shrink this. So I'm going to move this again, this room, and I'm going to move that to this corner here. So now it's aligned. And what we can do is so that these two walls align, since I can actually shrink this. Okay, so I'm going to ungroup first, and I'm going to erase this wall here so that I can move. Okay, and this time this is where you can actually explode these walls, because these walls are, if they're rectangles, you need to explode them. So I'm going to explode. I'm going to select these, and I'm going to move this fixture and these two walls higher up to here. There you go. Okay, and then I can now do a fillet and do a trim. And then other than that, we can also make this bathroom a little bit wider. So I'm going to move this. I'm going to align this or here to this endpoint. Okay, there you go, and you can leave that like that, and then we can just do a fillet. Alright, so compose your room by grouping and moving and adjusting the room so that they form a rectangle and nothing sticks out just by a little bit. Okay.